tomato paste. The tomato is well fried. So now you can fish. This fish is not cheap anywhere. One of these is 2,000 naira. So two of these is 4,000 naira. People, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in today's video. I want to prepare Nigerian stew. This stew, I'm not going to use fresh tomato. We are using tomato paste all through. So let me show you guys my ingredients. This is my tomato paste. I'm using 4 tomato paste for this stew. And this is my chopped onion. This is fish. We are using Titus fish. We are using Titus fish, canned fish. And this is my vegetable oil, my pepper, Maggi, salt. This is turmeric, curry powder, and this is thyme, chicken glory. This is my chicken glory. Also, I have my pot here on fire. So I'll add my vegetable oil now. This is vegetable oil. And then my onion. I'll stir it. And now I will put my tomato paste. And stir it. This is a low budget stew. This is a low budget stew. And I have my rice here on fire. Hey, this thing don't burn my hand. It's my rice on fire. So I'm going to fry my tomato paste very well because I don't need that sour taste. So now I will add my thyme. That's thyme, turmeric powder, curry powder, seasoning cube. This is my seasoning cube. Chicken glory. Don't mind the way the phone is shaking. I'm the one holding camera by myself. I'll stir it. You can see the tomato is well fried. So now you can have a very good taste. Now I will put my fish. This fish is not cheap anywhere. One of these is 2,000 naira. So two of these is 4,000 naira. Wow. It's almost ready. So now I'll put my pepper. I need enough pepper for this stew. And now I'll put water. And just a little salt. So guys, our stew is ready. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Food is ready. So guys, I'm dishing my own. Ooh, the delicious stew. Wow, this is yummy. This is yummy. Thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys on my next video. Bye.